route to job initiatives by Jaro Education. Because why I am saying this part is more important, because they are instrumental in bringing this session to you. They are instrumental in bringing this session from a faculty who has actually gone through such experiences. And when I saw through their material or the guidance given by them to over 50,000 students enrolled with them, I was really impressed. And that's what I am going to say briefly now and after some time. So let us first understand what exactly these Route to Jobs initiatives are. First of all, they offer comprehensive training programs to help students for bank PO as well as clerical exams, for insurance exams, for railway exams, for the Reserve Bank of India exams, for the staff selection exams and various other exams. As we have seen earlier, the pattern of the exam is designed by IBPS, and more or less it is same for whatever types of organization they are going to conduct exams. So Route to Jobs have mastered this technique of designing a comprehensive course, especially for young students like you. If we have to say Route to Education and its initiatives, we have to give credit to Jaro Education, because Route to Jobs is a product of Jaro Education. Jaro Education is also a leading authority in education in this big world of education. It has already bagged various prestigious awards, including the Education Excellence Award. If Jaro Education has bagged a prestigious award like Educational Excellence Award, Route to Jobs are also not behind. They have bagged an equally prestigious award in the form of Best Coaching Institute for the job entrance exams. This Route to Jobs has a wonderful programs in the form of study material in print as well as in flip books. You have online practice tests which are similar to those that are actually appearing in the exams conducted by IBPS. They not only prepare you from the concept point of view, from applying your concepts on certain examples provided in the course, but they also take you through the rigors. They also take you through the complexities in the form of mock test and the drills and guidance they offer you regularly, by which a candidate not only gets his conceptual part clear, but is ready to take any challenge, the real test, any type, any complexity conducted by IBPS. So friends, this recipe of a comprehensive program has to be understood by a successful coaching institute. As we have seen before, self-preparation is the best preparation, but when it comes to taking help from a professional institute, and that to a professional institute like Route to Jobs, you will feel the difference when you actually enroll and actually enjoy the comprehensive and researched material both in print as well as in the online form, and this you can access it anytime. You need not have to come to classroom. You can find your own time, access the material, prepare for yourself, and if you have any doubts, you can also clarify the doubts with the knowledgeable faculty of Route to Jobs. What happens after you clear the first hurdle? You will be provided the free inputs on interviews and GD. Interview and GD is not an overnight preparation. This preparation is done for you during your preparation for your written exam itself, because there is a wonderful support in the form of monthly updates given to you, in the form of general knowledge, in the form of current developments, and this current developments is on what is happening recently in the banking industry. And this preparation which is done over a period of time becomes very useful when you actually appear for an interview. Over and above the contents that are required from the knowledge point of view, you get it during the course. But in the mock interviews and the GDs, they also teach you how to face an interview, how to ace an interview more specifically from the communication skills and the soft skills angle. What else you require? You get a complete package, not only in the form of study material, not only in the form of comfort of accessing this material anytime, anywhere, but you are going through this drill, you get a comfort of facing any challenge right from the basics till the advanced level, and that really gives you a great confidence to appear for not only bank exams, bank PO or clerical exams, but competition exams by any other institute. So let's conclude this session. A special request to you, start your preparation right now, because no one else is going to do it for you. It is important for you to find a way, and don't give any excuse. If you have a real wish, you have a real passion, you will find a way and you will not give excuse, because you need to know for yourself that only you and only you can make a great future or carve a great future for you. Just believe in yourself. Route to Jobs can provide you guidance and directions, but you will have to weave your net of success by practice, practice and only practice. Even if you don't, just pretend that you do, because generally when we make a new step, we get a lot of discomforts. We are not sure whether success will come to us, but here this is a golden formula. Even if you don't have that confidence in the start, just pretend that you do have it, and at some point of time, by practice, practice and practice, you will be surely confident. That is the only way to make a start initially and get a good finish later. Initially, you always seem a task to be impossible. When you practice, it becomes very easy. Your positive action combined with positive thinking results in success. I have already shared with you the success recipes. I hope you have got a complete coverage on why to choose a banking career. You can do it. Good luck for your exams and do the best. Thank you.